Oh, wait lang, guys.
Daan. Pati panoorin niyo, ate.
Kuy, upo ka. Kuy, upo ka.
Anong ginawa nito?
Wala na, tapos na.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Lilia. Thank you for the love and care.
Happy birthday. We wish you good health and happiness.
Umiyak kasi yan.
Thank you for everything.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Solo ah.
Nasa school ka.
Enjoy your birthday po.
Pogi!
Birthday po tita, ayun na mag-enjoy ka po sa birthday mo. Salamat sa lahat. Wish ko, maging masaya ka.
Siyan!
Tawa ng taon.
Happy birthday, Day. Stay happy, stay healthy. I love you.
Wow!
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Lily. We love you.
Happy birthday.
John!
Sorry we're not there. We're leaving
Have a great time in the Philippines. Love
Gomez!
you.
Bye.
Kagabi.
Nasaan ba ako?
Kagabi.
Ang gagaling nyo ah. Wala nasa Pilipinas.
The happiest
Ngayon yan, ma. Kagabi.
that you have all of us here. Not all of us, but at least you have your niece, nephews, and everyone that loves you.
Nagawa ni
I
Ate
hope that
agad.
we would have a wonderful
Ay,
birthday.
ako, hindi naman
Love you. Always. This is Darlene.
Oh!
And I'm wishing you the best 60th birthday. And health, joy, and happiness.
Mamaya,
And
mamaya,
also
mamaya!
enjoy your day celebrating your 60th birthday in the Philippines with our family.
Yun ako dito.
Happy birthday
Aba,
to
ay,
you.
pera.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Singer pala siya.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy 60th birthday, love you. Happy birthday.
Kanina lang nanti.
Sa kapatid ko si Lilia, happy birthday from ate and kuya. We love you.
Leia, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Enjoy your birthday.
Sana maging sa Philippines, hindi kita natin pamangkin. Well,
Wow!
kumahinang, happy 60th birthday. I love you. Sorry I won't be there. Enjoy your birthday, the Philippines. I miss you guys so much. Enjoy your birthday, Tita. I love you. Tell everybody I said hi. Miss you all. Many more birthdays to come, Tita.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita.
Sorry.
Time.
Yes, have a great time in the Philippines. Sorry we couldn't be there. But we wish you all the best and we hope that you enjoy your day with everybody. We love you and miss you.
From Vanna, Adrian, and Aiden.
Bye. Love you.
Bakit na? May inintay pa kay Auntie?
Hinintay ba kayo, ate?
Ay, meron pa ba?
Happy birthday. I
you so much, and we hope you have the best day celebrating in the Philippines. Stay safe, and we can't wait to see you when you come back home.
And happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh, happy birthday!
Oh, Roscoe, say happy birthday.
Next.
Speak.
Speak.
Well, we hope you're having a great time in the Philippines. We love you.
Happy birthday. Wishing you a happy 60th birthday from the States. Have fun in the Philippines. Okay.
Yay!